Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you set up an automatic out of office reply on Outlook. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open your Outlook application. So once you've already opened your Outlook application, so what happens here is like, all right. So here, when you on your left side panel here, you'll see the settings option. So you'll have a settings option. So click on settings. Under settings, you'll see an option called automatic replies. So click on automatic replies. So here what you have to do is this is where we set up the automatic replies. So here choose, if you have multiple Outlook account, then choose the one that's relevant that you're going to set the automatic reply for. So select that, and then you will have an option here, the switch, the automatic reply switch. Turn that on. All right, once you turn that on, here you can set the message or the reply that you want people to receive when they send you an email. So you can set your email here. Thank you for your message, something like that. So you can just type that up. So whatever you want to mention here, you can just type everything, whatever that you wish to let your customers or the people sending you emails to know. So you can set that up, and then this particular one is for people within your organization. And if you want to send replies for people outside your company or your business as well, or your organization, you can tick this box here, and then you can mention maybe the same message or a different message for them. It's up to you. And then also, if you want to only send replies to only people those are in your contacts only, then you can tick this box. So you can choose depending on your preference, you can mention that and choose. So whatever you want to mention in your automatic reply, you just have to mention in these boxes, and then that's it. And you just you have to turn on this switch here, and once done, it's all set. And that's pretty much how you set automatic replies. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.